Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to remove your search bar in Shopify. So right here we are in Shopify community and I've found one already where we're discussing how to remove a actual search bar in Shopify. So in Shopify the CSS files are typically located within your theme files. So when you go to your theme files right here, you want to look for whatever you're trying to remove and you have to go to online store themes, which we are now in, and then you will have to edit your theme. Then you will have to click on actions button. So if you find your actions button right here, you'll be able to do it. So I don't have an action button because I don't really have it in the store. So when you do that, you will have to edit the code, basically locate the CSS file, and then you'll be able to look for the assets. So there, the CSS files name are such as the theme.css or styles.css. However, Shopify themes may organize CSS into multiple or use a CSS preprocessor like SCSS or LESS. So look for files with the extensions such as this. So once you have done that, you will have to actually get the CSS. So the CSS will be like this. You will have to make it disappear. So it's dot header, then underscore icon dash dash search, spaghetti noodle bracket, and then display, and then we got the ratio or semicolon, none, and then semicolon, and then you close it. And there you go. It's just that simple. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.